I understand. I know about all the so-called securities and all this other stuff. I'm not sold on cloud computing. That's why, with the help of BA Black Avenger, I built my NAS server. I got my own in-house. I took myself off the cloud. I took my company off the cloud. And I'm not saying that anybody else should do that. I'm just chicken because I got the stuff that's on mine: video, insurance, accident scene crashes, fatality accident scene crashes, the insurance companies involved, audio from the police talking, audio from, the EMTs talking, and this and all this other good stuff, the video, you can see the cars, the license plates, the bodies, and all that other stuff, because that's part of my job. For being the incident manager for 2 sheriff's departments that I have contracts with. And I'm like, man, if somebody because y'all know how the insurance business go. I'm not an insurance guy, but somebody that's filing against, Keep It Techie Trucking crashed and killed my mom and pushed her car, and it crashed into the Dollar General and done $1 million worth of damage to that building, and they know I got the video of the whole scene from start to finish. Somebody would be willing to pay, to pay to get that, that video, because then they can skewer it, because a lot of time we're subpoenaed to go to court. Do you know I got to hold on to the video and put it, I got a case of these, and each one of them, we got a number engraved into the back of them, and a sergeant or higher has to come pick it up to take it to court. That's what I do now. You know what I'm saying?
I guess it's just a matter of...
Yeah, I took myself off the cloud, built the in-house NAS, because I'm just chicken.
I think it's just a matter of weighing the pros and cons of whether you want to do something. Yeah, well, that's one of the major factors. But it's not just cost, it's also security that's tied into it. Because even though your stuff is on premise, that's what it's actually called, on premise. But you are also responsible for making sure that it's secured. You have enough power, electricity to keep the power going, so that none of the stuff fails. You're responsible for any type of redundancy issues that need to take place, so you don't lose the data. When you deal with cloud providers, depending upon what type of cloud service you get, they are responsible for all of that. You're just really responsible for just uploading the data,
right?
And creating the, who can get access to the data if they need to get access to it, yada yada yada. So it's just a matter of how you want to do it, because cloud computing can get very expensive.
And that's what it started getting, because I'm in year 6, and it's just getting. And then I looked at how much I spent, and I'm like, bruh, you could have built, you know what I mean? You know how to do it, because I built it myself. And so that's why I went on ahead and I done it. And, I got, 82 terabytes in-house. And, I have it. And I done switched to RAID 6 because I done switched over to RAID 6 from RAID 5 to RAID 6. And yeah, it eat up, but it's faster. It operates it's easier to retrieve.